Alright, let's open up the Docker application. You see Docker desktop is trying to start the Docker engine. Just give it a second. Eventually it shows Docker engine stopped. If you click the Docker icon at the top of your screen, you'll notice it says Docker desktop is stopped. Now, even if you try to quit Docker or restart it from here, nothing happens. Let's give it a try. Yeah, still nothing. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it. Now, I'm gonna head to the dock and look for the activity monitor. Right here. Let's open it. Search for Docker and kill the processes that show up. Let me kill this one, force quit. Cancel. I'm gonna go ahead and select all of them and force quit. Next, open your terminal and run this command. I'll leave it in the video description so you can copy it easily. This will open a configure file in Visual Studio Code. In that file, look for the section called filesharingDirectories. Just delete all the entries inside that section. Leave it completely empty. Alright, now let's try opening Docker again. And there we go. Docker desktop is up and running. I hope this helped. If it did, drop a like and I'll see you in the next video.